Hey, it's Aram here. I got a question from somebody in my tech support membership asking how to share a folder of Google Drive. So I had my virtual assistant record a tutorial to show you how to do that. And I'm going to turn it over to her to show you. And then at the end, I'll give you a couple of information to know about different use cases where this will be helpful. So I'll turn it over to her and show you how to do that.
Here's how to share a folder on Google Drive. First, go to your Google Drive by accessing Google Apps or through this link, which is drive.google.com. Create a new folder by clicking the New button in the upper left corner, then choose New Folder. Now, in this pop up, enter a name for your folder and click Create. You can upload files to your folder by dragging and dropping them into the window from your computer. You can also try right-clicking on the screen and selecting File Upload, or clicking on New and selecting File Upload. Click on the drop-down button beside the title of the folder, then click on Share. Now in this pop-up, you can type in the email addresses of everyone you'd like to send your folder to, and choose your permissions, whether it's a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. You can also type in a message to the people you want to share it to, and once you're ready, go ahead and click on Send. Now, if you want to share this to multiple people, or you just want to make it easier to share, you also have the option to copy and paste a URL link. Under General Access, change it from restricted to anyone with a link. It will then again give you an option to change your permissions, whether it's a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. Once you're done, click on this copy link button, then paste the link in a text, email, messaging app, or other platforms to share your folder.
So hope you find this video helpful. Essentially, the use case for this is specifically if you are working with a virtual assistant, or you're working with a client, or you are trying to share some content with affiliates, then you want to be able to share folders. So let's just say that you're running an affiliate program and you want to share different digital assets that people can use, like logos or images or banners, then you could use this particular tutorial to learn how to share a Google folder. If you are working with a website designer to help do things for you, then you can share your images and things like that using the Google folder as well. And of course, if it's the roles are reversed and you're the one who is working with a client and you need them to send you the information in a Google folder, you can send them this video as well to show them how to do that and share the information with you so you could do their website project. So these are just some common use cases that I thought you might find helpful. That's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have additional tutorials you'd like me to record or my team to record, leave a comment below. And otherwise, please do subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.